Hi, I am Dr. Hardeep Singh. I am working as a professor with Amritsar Group of Colleges at Amritsar, Punjab, India. Firstly, I would like to thank the organizers of 14th Virtual International Conference on Interdisciplinary Research for Sustainable Development to invite me as a keynote speaker on 25th December 2024. This conference is organized by International Institute of Organized Research, India, in association with Green Thinkers India, Centre for Modern Construction, Western Sydney University, Australia, Global Institute for Education and Research, and Sustainable Cosmos. The theme of this international conference is UN's Sustainable Development Goals 2030, the global goals. Today, I will focus on SDGs and deliver my expert talk as my contribution towards SDG 4, that is quality education of 17 goals through my own teaching learning process, methodology, innovative practices in the field of education. So, the title of my today's keynote talk is Soft Skills for Manuscript Writing. We all know writing a manuscript, especially for academic or professional purposes, requires not only technical expertise but also a strong command of soft skills. So, the point comes, why we need to write a manuscript. We all know that when we are going through a research, we have to write a manuscript. It may be your MTech dissertation, it may be your MPhil dissertation, and it may be your, you can say, PhD dissertation or PhD thesis. So we all need to write a manuscript, and today I will talk about what are the soft skills that are required when we are working towards the manuscript writing. So first and the very main thing that we need while writing a manuscript is communication, the very important part. And now I would like to talk what is important in the communication while writing a manuscript. First is clarity of thought. The ability to convey ideas clearly and concisely is essential. Avoid jargons unless necessary and make sure complex ideas are explained in an accessible way. So the idea should be clear, thought should be clear while writing a manuscript, so that the reviewer or the, you can say, who is reading your manuscript, he may understand what you are going to deliver to the audience or to the panel. Second thing in the communication point, that is audience awareness. You should be aware who is your audience, understanding who will read the manuscript, and the tailoring the tone, style and content accordingly is crucial for effective communication while writing a manuscript. Second point that we should take care while writing a manuscript, that is critical thinking, the very important part. Analyzing information. Writers must evaluate research, data or arguments critically to ensure that only relevant and high quality information is included. And second thing, under this sub point, that is critical thinking while writing a manuscript, is formulating arguments. This involves structuring ideas logically, presenting evidence and drawing reasonable conclusions. This is very much important point to take care, that your you can say conclusions that should be reasonable. And third soft skill required while writing the manuscript is time management. This is again very important point, that time is very important part of our life, and even in writing a manuscript we should take care of the time also. So the first point to be taken care under the time management is setting milestones. Managing time effectively to meet deadlines, especially when dealing with multiple revisions, research, or collaborations, is very much important. So, the point is that we should set the deadlines, make the milestones, and work according to that, and we should abide by that deadlines. Then, second thing under the time management comes prioritization. Writers must prioritize tasks, research, drafting, editing, and reviewing to streamline the writing process. So, time management and prioritization and setting milestones is very important in the this manuscript writing. And next point that we should take care while writing the manuscript is attention. What comes under the attention point, that is proofreading and editing, ensuring that the manuscript is free from any type of errors in grammar, punctuation, and style, as well as ensuring the accuracy of facts and references. The main point in proofreading is that you should read it yourself. After that, you should take help of your supervisor, your colleague, your best friend, who is your, you can say, take care of your errors, and you who can review your manuscript very honestly. Then comes consistency. Keeping the format, tone, and style consistent throughout the manuscript helps maintain professionalism. Then coming towards the next point under the soft skills for manuscript writing is adaptability. Under adaptability, writers need to open to constructive criticism and willing to revise their work accordingly. And next point that is again important, that is adjusting the style depending upon the requirements, whether you are writing for a journal, whether you are writing for a conference, or whether you are writing for a PhD dissertation, a report, or book. Being able to shift writing style and structure is the key. You have to take care of the formatting style, adjusting styles, you can say type of contents, size of contents, everything you should take care while writing a manuscript. Then again, another very important point that we should take care while writing a manuscript is collaboration. We all know that what is collaboration. Teamwork plays a very important role when we are working for a research project, when we are working for a research paper or any manuscript. You can say that teamwork is the key to the success. Manuscript writing often involves working with co-authors, editors, and reviewers. Effective communication, flexibility, and compromise are needed for smooth collaboration. So collaboration plays a very important role in successful manuscript writing. Then another important point, that is content resolution. In case of differing opinions or feedback, it is important to resolve conflicts professionally while maintaining the quality of the work. There should not be any conflict while writing the manuscript, or it hinders the quality of the work. So the content should be clear. There should not be even plagiarism or any type of copy paste matter, and or there should not be any criticism, that it should be work of another author who has already done that work. Then comes again another point, dealing with rejection. Rejections and revisions are part of the process. When we send the research paper to the journal, there is a panel of reviewers who reviews your research work, and there may come the rejections, or you may have to revise that research paper according to the, you can say that terms, conditions, or guidelines of that research journals or the research conference or that PhD panel. You have to revise that work, or there may be any type of rejections, and you may be able to remove those rejections. Being able to persist, adapt, and improve the manuscript based on the feedback is vital point. Then again another point that is very much important in manuscript writing, you can say even in our life, it is very important point that we should take care, that is patience. Patience pays a lot in our life, and we should have patience to be successful, to work towards the quality work. Writing, revising, and perfecting a manuscript can be a time consuming process, but patience helps in maintaining focus and quality throughout. So, you can say, dear authors, dear audience, you should take care that patience is very important part of our life. Then again, next point that you should take care while writing a manuscript, that is creativity. What is creativity? Idea generation. Coming with original ideas or new perspectives can make a manuscript stand out. If there are new ideas, novel ideas, innovative ideas in your manuscript, it makes your manuscript a outstanding manuscript. Then you should have an talent of problem solving. Writers often face obstacles such as gaps in research or structural issues, and creativity aids in finding innovative solutions. So you should be creative at your end while you are writing a manuscript. You should be creative. There should be creative thinking, critical thinking, and you should have problem solving skills in yourself also. So lastly, I would like to conclude my this talk on soft skills for manuscript writing. In conclusion, mastering soft skills is essential for successful manuscript writing. Effective communication ensures clarity, while critical thinking helps in organizing ideas and analyzing information. Time management, attention to detail, and adaptability allows for smooth writing and revision process. Collaboration enhances the quality of the work, and resilience helps navigate feedback and rejections. Creativity begins originality to manuscript, making it stand out. By honing these soft skills, writers, authors, researchers cannot not only improve the efficiency of the writing process but also increase the impact and quality of their manuscripts, ensuring great success in their academic or professional endeavors. So, dear authors, dear research scholars, you should take care of all these points that I have discussed in my this expert talk on soft skills for manuscript writing. Once again, I would like to thank the organizers of this international conference to invite me as a keynote speaker to deliver my keynote talk on this international conference. Thanks once again. Best wishes for your future research projects. Best of luck.